Ang first question ko ay, ano para sa'yo ang maturity?
For me, maturity is realizing that loving someone is a sacrifice. Hindi siya puro kilig, hindi siya puro happiness lang. You're supposed to choose to love that person every single day, even on the days when they feel unlovable. Ayun.
Yes. Ang next question ko ay, paano ba mag-unlove ng isang tao?
How do you unlove someone? Hirap nun. Paano nang a-unlove ng tao?
Para sa akin kasi, I believe na you can never really unlove someone. Parang you just get used to not having them around.
Oh.
Ayun, yun yung paniniwala ko.
Ang ganda ng totoo. Hindi daw totoong nawawala yung pag-ibig mo dun sa tao. Nasasanay ka na lang na